Add and manage your own channel through Qiscus App Center. Manage all of your channels easily with just one click. Already sign up with Qiscus Robolabs? We'll share with you best practices to scale up your Qiscus Robolabs usage. Now, it is easier for you to create your own chatbots. Qiscus Robolabs has more than 9 ready-to-use bot templates, customizable to your business needs. With only one click, you no longer need to create a chatbot from scratch. All you need to do is to choose the best fit template that matches your preferences. And simply drop your Excel document here. Success! Congratulations! Your bot has been successfully created. No reply? No worries! Resolve all your conversations with the auto-resolve conversation feature. First, relax and allow Qiscus Robolabs to respond to your customer. But what happens if they don't reply? No more manual efforts. Qiscus Robolabs will simply send a follow-up message automatically. Still no response from your customer? No worries. Qiscus Robolabs will end the conversation by sending an end follow-up message automatically. The conversation will be marked as solved. Human-bot collaboration is easier than you think. No more hassle in handover conversations to your agents. Automate the handover process with just a few clicks. And done! Now, your chat is automatically assigned to your desired division. Is everyone asleep? Worry no more. Qiscus Robolabs stay awake. Customize your messages for customers when your agent is no longer online with the outside office hours feature. Success! Now, you can sleep tight and let Robolabs do the work. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey with Qiscus now! Qiscus, enabling conversations.